Pingi absorbs excess moisture anywhere, home, car, or wherever else you need him. The smart patented indicator shows you when Pingi is saturated. Pingi can be recharged in the microwave oven or in the sun. The indicator turns back to blue. Combats excess moisture in house or car. Pingi does not leak or leave stains. The reusable dehumidifier that does not leak. Try me. Reusable. No refills needed. Can be regenerated many times. Eco-friendly. Because Pingi can be reused, no waste is produced. Does not leak or leave stains. Can be safely used in your home, boat or caravan. Indicator. The indicator shows when regeneration is required.